guys, you're welcome to our channel. So guys, I'm in the city of Asaba. I'm so excited because I'm going to give you premium content in this city. So I arrived at Asaba yesterday. It was quite late, so I could not really do any video, but today I'm going to be giving you some good awesome video from the city of Asaba in Delta State. Now you can check our catalog. We did an update on the ongoing construction of flyover close to the Coca Junction. So guys, I'm going to still go there to see what the work is like currently. Yeah, I'm not with my wife here. She's in the city of Enugu and she's also creating some awesome content for you guys as requested in some of our video. So guys, stay tuned to this video. I'm going to give you a detailed tour of what the city of Asaba look like in 2022, and I'm going to capture some other good areas in regards to infrastructure in the city. So guys, let's enjoy the city of Asaba. So guys, I'm going to be starting today's video from Nnebisi Road in Asaba leading to FMC. So I'm going to capture this axis. We'll go to Avwian Road. Let's just see. I think I visited Avwian Road last. That was in 2018 or 2019 if I'm not mistaken. Then it has not been done, so I heard the road has been constructed. So guys, let's just see what it looks like in 2022. I think for about 4 years now I've not visited Asaba. So this is Nnebisi Road according to them. So that's where we are driving now. So if you are from the city of Asaba or you live in Asaba and you are seeing this video, please do well to rep your location in the city, and I'm excited to be in your city as well. Yes, I'm very excited to be in your city. Yes guys, so guys, if you are returning subscribers seeing this video, we sincerely appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe and you are seeing this, please click the subscribe button by joining our big family. What we do is that we do city tours around Nigeria, and as God permits and as resources come, we'll take it beyond the shores of the country. Yes, it is me and my wife that is actually doing this together, but she's not with me currently. I visited Asaba for a purpose. So guys, let's enjoy the drive around Asaba. Okay, I think we're already at Avwian Road. So this is Avwian Road now. I think after Avwian you see Illah Road. Get to Avwian. I think I will show you guys the junction. I know the road was tied up to. I think I came last to Asaba 4 years ago, and some work has been done. Still at Illah Road. All of this place has not been tarred. The last time I visited, they were all dusty. But it's good to see that it has been tarred. And these trees planted by the middle side is actually beautiful. It's good to plant trees. All of these places were so bad before, but the governor of Delta State has done the road. There's a military checkpoint here. Is there like a barracks here or something? Okay, yeah, it's a military branch. 63 Brigadier. Officers Mess. This is a new developing area in Asaba. I think that's where the Asaba Specialist Hospital is located. It's good to see that Asaba has expanded this much to these areas. I guess these areas were bush as at 4 years ago, but it's good to see that massive development has come to these areas. So let's see. I said they carried a specialist hospital to this place, so we're trying to see where the hospital is. So let's see the specialist hospital, Asaba Specialist Hospital. A lot of structures are still coming up around this place. Guys, we finally found Asaba Specialist Hospital. It's just located off Avwian Road. Yes, so I think I like the fact that the governor brought the Asaba Specialist Hospital to this kind of location. At least it will bring more development to this area. This road straight leads to ShopRite, so we are going to drive towards that junction. Let's get to Summit. That junction is Summit now. We'll just take you on a drive to Summit. So that's a beautiful flyover you are seeing, some nice designs on them in the city of Asaba. Off this flyover, I think leads you to airport now, Uromi. Go straight up the flyover. That's the Uromi Road. Yeah, ShopRite is just by the left hand side, but let's take you guys to Summit first. So generally I think Asaba is just a fine town, it's a fine city. Have some beautiful sculptures, flowers planted. People are even using the flyover underneath it as a pleasure park. Some people sitting down there. So guys, what do you think about the city of Asaba? Let us get your thoughts in the comment section. Do well to like this video and as well share with your loved ones. I think I like the city. It looks beautiful. I don't know about it being calm anyway. You know, anything in Delta you can't categorically predict. So I can't talk about the calmness or the safety of the town, but I've not stayed here for a long time. So, but yeah, it's beautiful infrastructure wise, good road networks. Yeah, it's awesome to see. So guys, that is it for the city of Asaba. So if you are seeing this video and you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We appreciate you. And if you are seeing it and you are yet to subscribe, please do remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. So guys, we'll catch you in our next video. Bye.